Everyone, welcome to Seeking Sidhu, and today we will review Vitara Brezza. It's 2019 model in white color and it's the VDI model. So let's start the video. First of all, this is the Kia Vitara Brezza and it's no remote key, no smart key. And now first of all, you could see these lights that are in halogen. In top model, when you go is ZDI, ZDA plus, they are in projectors. Low beam in halogen, and these are aftermarket fog lights indicators. Front grille chrome is used good in the car, and it is Suzuki's badging. And this is the engine of the car, two wipers of the car. These are aftermarket alloy wheels in the car. They are in black color, and the size is 20509 by R16. And here's the indicator of the car. In top models, the indicator is here, and their body color, door handles and body color ORBM. And this is the roof rails. I think these are aftermarket, and it's black. And from the back, when you see, first of all, we're gonna be opening the boot of the car. Let's start the boot of the, open the boot of the car, and it opens from, oh sorry, I forgot. It's open from the button only. Sorry. Let's start. It opens from, it says, so now we will open it. It has been opened. And this is the boot space of the car. Parcel tray. And no covering it. And this is the lights of the car. And this is the badging of Vitara Brezza. Let's close the boot first. And here's the tail light of the car, which is in halogen, no LED. And this is the Vitara Brezza's badging. And this is the back mirror, no defog or wiper in the car. And now first of all we will check the back seats. And here's the badging of Brezza. It's aftermarket. You could see with the light. And here's the hard door. No soft touch or anything. Doesn't have the door handle, doesn't have the chrome on it, which doesn't look cool. And it's a power windows. These are to keep bottle. And we are in the car. Here's the light. Let's turn on the light. And you can see there's a decent leg room. If you're going at the left side, then also there's a decent headroom in the car, and 100th high sport is also good, and my height is 5 feet 7 inches, and such a good headroom in the car. And this is only called as 5-seater, but it's 4-seater, because just look, this much space to keep your feet. I mean, I can't keep my feet here. And this is the view of the dash from the back. So now we will go to the front and check out what features it provides there. So we will go to the front, and let's sit in the car. Here's the red keyhole, and here's the power windows of the car is auto, and there's a lock on to unlock, and these are the to control your mirrors, your BMs, what you call, and your light leveler in the car. And this is the speedometer and tachometer, and this is the Suzuki's badging. No steering controls on the car, and it's not leather wrapped, it's just hard material used in the car. This is the handbrake with chrome, which looks good, and 2 bottle holders. This gear also, I love the gear. And this is the manual AC vents. And this is the music system. Here you can keep something if you want. It opens. And here also you could give. And this is the mirror, which has been aftermarket. It has a camera, and there is a mirror with covering with the cover. And now what we will do, we will start the car. First of all, I tell you, this is a fabric seat. It's in neutral, and this is the keyhole of the car. Let's start it. And the ignition is on, and let's press the clutch and then and this is the ignition on, and here's the BTA radio, and no iPhone connected FM. And the quality is good in the car. Here's the volume and tune to change it, and here's the indicators of the car. Here's the indicators of the car, and the car has driven 2,33,000 388 kilometers. And this is the automatic down ORBM and automatic up, and these are the electronical adjustable mirrors in the car. You can see it is up, down, and from the left side also you could adjust it if you want. And now we will turn off the car, and now we will see the spaces in the car. Here is the USB port, and here is a charging socket and AC on. And from the driver seat you get height adjustable steering, but not it's not telescope, it's tilted, and you don't get a seat height adjuster, which is a big miss in the car. And this is the view from the front seats of this vehicle, which is Vitara Brezza. You could see it, and in the front seats I can't see the engine from my height, पर अगर मैं थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर लूँ तो आप देख सकते हैं बहुत है. And the car has used good without also, there's no chrome in the car, but it still looks cool. And talking of headroom, sorry, I have lot of headroom in the car, more than rear seats, and under thigh support is also good. Height adjustable is a big miss in the vehicle, and the steering control should have it. And the new model gets a start stop button in VDI variant, but you don't get here. And we will now go out from the car. I think I have shown everything from inside, and now we will go out. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thanks.